Samsung has always been a trailblazer when it comes to colors, infusing vibrancy into the Galaxy Z Flip lineup while opting for more understated tones with the Galaxy Z Fold series. But hold on to your seats, because the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 is about to turn the color game upside down. Insider insights from industry guru Ross Young hint at a kaleidoscope of options for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, with 4 tantalizing hues: light blue, light green, silver, and yellow. These bold choices are set to inject a burst of personality and whimsy into the device, promising to stand out in a crowd. Meanwhile, whispers suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will grace us with 3 elegant shades: dark blue, light pink, and silver. Pink aficionados rejoice. This marks a delightful addition to the Z Fold series, offering a splash of youthful charm. While we eagerly soak in these juicy tidbits, it's essential to take leaked info with a pinch of salt, as plans may shift before the big reveal. But the anticipation. We can't help but wonder about the mysterious allure of dark blue and how it will redefine the Z Fold aesthetic. Will it exude sophistication or unveil a whole new dimension of cool? Only time will tell. As we await official images and promotions showcasing these hues, one thing's for sure: Samsung's knack for surprising us with daring design choices remains unparalleled. So let's buckle up and stay tuned for updates as we prepare to embrace the kaleidoscopic world of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, on to the tantalizing mystery of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. In Samsung's 2024 foldable lineup, whispers abound about the possibility of a second Z Fold 6 model gracing the stage alongside the standard upgrade. Initially rumored to offer a more budget-friendly option, speculation now veers into uncharted territory. Samsung's foldable lineup is gearing up for an intriguing twist, as whispers suggest that the second variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 might pack a surprising punch in terms of pricing. While initial buzz hinted at a more budget-friendly option, recent murmurs paint a different picture for Samsung's 2024 roster. Alongside the standard Fold 6, we might see the arrival of an Ultra Fold model. Previously dubbed as the Q6A, this mysterious contender could potentially outshine its sibling rather than serve as a wallet-friendly alternative. Speculation runs rampant on the features that Samsung might trim to craft a cheaper Fold 6, perhaps bidding adieu to S Pen support and the under-panel camera. But the enigmatic Fold 6 Ultra holds its cards close, leaving enthusiasts guessing at what marvels it might unveil. From grander displays and batteries to beefed-up memory and a dedicated S Pen holster, the possibilities tantalize our imaginations. Meanwhile, rumblings about a rollable foldable phone from Samsung add an extra layer of intrigue to the mix, although details remain scarce. Yet, with the alleged Fold 6 Ultra potentially shaking up the foldable scene, Samsung's strategy appears to zig when everyone expected a zag. In the realm of software support, Samsung's recent revelation about the Galaxy S24 series receiving a whopping 7 years of updates sent ripples of excitement through the fanbase. However, not all Galaxies will bask in this extended support, as devices predating the S24 will max out at 4 years of OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates. But hope springs eternal for the future, with rumors hinting at the Fold 6 joining Google's Pixel Fold 2 in the elite club of 7-year update recipients. Behind-the-scenes preparations are already underway, with a recent peek at the Fold 6's battery making waves. While details on capacity remain elusive, the glimpse confirms one crucial aspect: the battery's user-friendly adhesive pouch design, complete with a handy pull tab, promises easier replacements and bolsters the Fold 6 repairability score. Just like its predecessors, the Galaxy Fold 6 is gearing up to showcase its signature dual battery setup, with the battery in the recently leaked photo likely serving as the primary unit. Typically, a secondary smaller battery is nestled snugly in its own adhesive pouch, complete with a convenient pull tab. While recent intel hints at larger batteries making their debut in the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6, whether the Fold 6 will follow suit remains a tantalizing mystery that only time will unveil. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty, the full specs, design, and anticipated pricing to help you make an informed decision about whether this device is worth the anticipation. If you're a regular viewer, you've probably seen this drill before, so feel free to skip ahead. But if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button now, and let's embark on this journey together. So, what does the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 bring to the table? Picture this: a stiffness 7.6-inch foldable 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, boasting the same dimensions as its predecessor, but primed for improvements in brightness, color accuracy, and durability. With a resolution of 1812 by 2176 and shielded by Samsung's cutting-edge ultra-thin glass, it promises a visual feast like never before. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to unsightly creases marring the center of the display, as the Fold 6 strides onto the scene with less visible creasing and the added perks of water and dust resistance. And let's not forget the external display, sporting a sleek 120Hz dynamic AMOLED panel fortified by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. Sized at 6.2 inches, its resolution remains a mystery for now, but whispers suggest Samsung is cooking up a wider aspect ratio to elevate your viewing experience. Plus, brace yourself for enhancements in brightness, color accuracy, and a nifty punch-hole camera gracing the top center of the screen. Get ready for some serious camera prowess with the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6. Picture-perfect selfies are just a click away with its 10-megapixel wide-angle selfie camera on the cover display, complemented by a discreet 4-megapixel under-display camera when you unfold the device. And when it comes to capturing life's moments in stunning detail, the rear camera setup is a photography enthusiast's dream. A 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens boasting 3 times optical zoom. While it shares the same camera system as its predecessor, we're banking on software enhancements to take your photography game to the next level. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 packs a serious punch, powered by the Snapdragon HN3 chipset globally, paired with a hefty 12 gigs of RAM and up to a whopping 1 TB of storage, courtesy of UFES 4.1 technology. With a robust 4,400 mAh battery, keeping things running smoothly, we're crossing our fingers for improvements in both wired and wireless charging speeds. Stay ahead of the curve with advanced connectivity features like lightning-fast 5G AI, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7, along with ultra-wideband support for seamless device communication. And let's not forget about the software. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 runs on Samsung's sleek One UI 6, based on the latest Android 14, ensuring a seamless and an intuitive user experience. But what about the price? Brace yourselves, as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to hit the shelves starting from $1,850 in August 2024. With its stunning design and groundbreaking features, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is set to revolutionize the world of foldable phones, offering a refreshing change in all aspects. Get ready to experience a whole new level of convenience with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The larger cover display, featuring a wider aspect ratio, is set to transform the way you use your phone for quick tasks without even unfolding it. Plus, with a brighter display and cutting-edge AI features powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, everyday usability is about to reach new heights. And the cherry on top? The sleeker design adds an extra touch of sophistication to an already premium device. Speaking of premium, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 set the bar high, but the Z Fold 6 is poised to raise it even further. While it may share some similarities with its predecessor, it's certainly not lacking in excitement. If you're rocking an older Fold model or considering dipping your toes into the world of foldable phones for the first time, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 promises to be the perfect starting point. With the official launch still on the horizon, we can expect a steady stream of leaks and rumors to keep us on our toes. But fear not, I'll be here to keep you updated every step of the way. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop and be the first to know about all the latest Galaxy Z Fold 6 news and updates. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this foldable revolution.